Hey there guys, Matt here. I wanted to introduce a whole another new model. It's our turnkey ice cream trailer, so Food Trailer King ice cream trailer. Now, I'm just gonna run you through the whole thing. It's a complete package. It's $990. It also includes the it's technically a 3 flavor machine, but it really only takes 2 because one flavor comes out, another flavor comes out, and the middle mixes them too. Now, this will actually do 330 cones per minute, per hour, okay? Which you're flat out doing anyway, okay? So it's plenty big enough. It's actually an Italian-made machine. They're quite expensive, but I managed to come across them and able to offer it to you at a really, really good price. There's only a limited edition of these, okay? There's only about 10 of these that we're gonna do. We've only got a limited amount of machines. Only 10 we can do at that price. It's a bit of an intro. So this is all based on our XL food trailer. So you got your normal features such as your hydraulic hinges. It's all sign written there as well. I'll take you around inside so you can have a little bit of a look. Now, bearing in mind I'm 6'4", obviously, so plenty of room. I'm standing up as straight as I can, so I'm not hitting the roof, right? A few people every now ring me up and say, hey, Matt, I'm 6'2", I'm not sure I'm gonna hit the roof. Oh, I can guarantee you're not gonna hit the roof, right? Now, the trailer comes just like an XL, but you're paying a little bit extra. So you got this can be either a fridge or a freezer, depends on whatever temperature you adjust, or this can be a fridge or a freezer. So turn it down low, it freezes. Turn it a little bit higher, it'll be cold. Okay. Now this ice cream machine, pretty straightforward and easy to actually use. That top comes off nice and easy, and you literally put your ice cream mix in the top here. And when you wash it, it's simply unscrewing a couple of things. It's super, super easy. These are really high quality Italian machines. So simply unscrew that, lift the parts off, wash it all, and then put it all back. All this comes out, everything literally comes out, so it's nice and easy for you. Now, when we do it as well, like obviously I've done this machine up as Ice Cream King, Food Trailer King, Ice Cream King, okay? Yeah, it's all pump driven. It's quite an expensive machine. Like I said, they come over from Italy. They've got to have really, really good quality stuff. It's pump driven and you can control speeds and all sorts of stuff here. Obviously there's no ice cream in it, pull it and it works. All this comes off as well, okay? And if you look around, just so I can give you a little bit of a rundown on actual ice creams, if you look around, you'll see ice cream machines that you can get for like $2 grand, right? They're essentially garbage. And then you'll see other ice cream machines. There's a model called Brulin. They're about 12 or 13 or 14,000, okay? And there's another a name that you've probably seen inside McDonald's and Hungry Jack's, okay, because they need good quality as well. They're called Taylor, and they range from somewhere between $20,000 and $50,000 once you're sort of getting up to this actual size, right? That's where this is the same quality of those types of brands, okay? It's definitely not a cheap thing. You got your storage cabinets underneath over here as normal, okay? Other storage. One of the things we do on our trailers is make sure that the cabinets, they shut, and then actually you can have your little lock, okay? Under here you got your hot and cold water system, fire extinguisher, all your little things that you need, pump and so on and so forth. So a whole heap of stuff, everything you need. You've got water tanks underneath as well. If you want to actually put a coffee machine in here as well, and you go, Matt, we want a coffee machine, no problems, we can add that in for you. If you want a slushy machine or something like that, we can add that in for you. Vents here, really important to have these vents for the fridges so they don't get too hot, okay? Up the front, there's a lot of little things we do that we even put a little level on the front of the trailers so you know when it's actually level when you set up, so you can actually tell. If you want to have some generators, we hook some generators up. So just to recap everything you get with the actual Ice Cream King, the ice cream trailer, which is essentially XL turned into an ice cream trailer. And you get the machine, okay, which by themselves go for near 20 grand, okay? But I was managed to secure a handful of them at the right price. So it's a complete turnkey package. Literally hook up. If you want to add a couple of things like a generator or a coffee machine, just ask, then you hook up and go. So the total package for the ice cream machine works out at plus your GST. If that's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and fill in the form on the actual step 3 page. So you literally fill in your details, goes through to foodtrailerking.com.au/step 3, okay? And fill in the form, say, hey, I'm interested in the ice cream trailer. Can you have a chat to me? There's literally only a limited number of these because I only got a limited number at the right price, and then the price will go up. I'll get the first few guys going, move them on, and give you a chance to get up and going. Anyway, if you're interested to know more, please go ahead and contact us. I'm happy to run through any questions, give you a final price if you want to add or subtract some stuff, and away we go.